going to show you the cooler deck. Some of the electronics. That's all our main engine parts over here. That's Milwaukee with the oil. Here's one of the plate coolers for the oil. That's all for the scrubber systems over there. It's like the sludge tank and stuff like that. That's our sewage unit. Another plate cooler. Like I said, what's nice with the plate coolers, they don't have to be done like it's usually every couple of years. The only good thing, but when you clean it, it takes, well, it took me anyway. Alright, some pumps. Another cooler. Another one over here. Solid jack of water. LT cooler or HD cooler. They're all LTs. I don't know why I said HD. Anyway, that's number one cooler, number two cooler. Okay. Pretty neat, man. See the rubbers here? That's what seals the plates together. Out. Water flows through, comes back out. And like I said, everything's controlled here, right? There's a blower. Filters for the heavy fuel. All stacked stationary, right? There's all the bells and whistles, folks. Hey guys, so that's the cooler deck, right? Now the ballast pump, I'll find that out for you tomorrow because I got all the way up. I don't feel like going back down. It should be on the pump. I didn't look that close. Maybe in the video you can see the flow rate. Anyway, I will get that for you tomorrow. Okay, gotta run, busy day. Hopefully get to go home for a little bit and see the boo.